believe this day has finally come.
Yes, I can't believe it either. Oh no, the scary witch! Wait, did you invite her?
No, I didn't. Now you will not have a wedding.
Poof!
Ah! Come with me, dragon. This is where we stay. Oh no, where's my prince? I have to go get him. Off to the meadow. Where is my prince?
Oh, what happened?
Oh, today is my wedding day. And then a witch came and she was not invited and turned my prince into a dragon.
Oh, I know how to fix that. I know where they're hiding.
Take me. There they are. Quick, fairy, change my prince back.
Okay. Poof! I'm back!
Please, fairy, get the witch out of here.
Okay.
Poof! Oh, my prince!
Oh, my princess! Let's go get married.
Okay.